Hello guys, welcome back in this tutorial. Today I'm going to share with you this website. This website name is Faucet and link available in description. Without any investment website, I make two videos about this website in past 2 months. No minimum withdrawal in this website. You can withdraw instantly to your faucetpay from this website. No limit for earning referral commission pay you, and this much users around the world this website have, this much coin earn, this much withdraw, take it, and that's it. Okay, if you have any question you won't need to answer, just click in here and you can get your answer. First of all, click register, put your email, password, confirm password, solve this capture, and just click get started. You can make an account, and I have already account. I just click it and log in to show you how you can start earning. You can see I have this much coin in my account, and I will show you how you can start earning from this website. Okay, sorry about this advertisement. Okay, and in here this website pay you just Litecoin. Every one coin equal to 0.003 Satoshi of Litecoin. This website pay you. The first way earning is a claim faucet. The claim faucet is like a claim faucet, like a faucet. I have a timer. After every timer you come back and claim again. I just clicking, just will be opening. Okay, every 1 minute you can claim this much coin, and 200 time claim per day left, and you can solve the capture, you can claim it. Okay, solve this capture first of all. Sorry, and then solve this capture is a 948. Okay, just click the available things. Okay, 948, and just click claim, and that's it, you claim it. And the next way earning is auto faucet. For auto faucet you need to complete short links, then you earn energy. This is energy. If you complete short links you earn energy, and you can easily make your amount. The next way is a PTC ads. PTC ads pay you this much coin if you watch all of this core advertisement. The next way is a task, but there are no available task in here right now. The next way is a lottery ticket, and right now no lottery ticket launching in here. The last lottery ticket launched 2 weeks and two days ago. And right now I share with you the withdrawal proof of this website. To this website pay you or not. I click this one. Okay, and this much coin I have, and I put my faucetpay Gmail address and just click withdraw request. And now you can see this website send me my Satoshi. I go to my faucetpay, just reload the page. I come down. Now you can see this website send me my Satoshi and send it to my faucet. Thanks for watching guys. This website link available in description, and bye bye for now.